Hey everyone, welcome back to Programming Hub channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a hot topic in the data world. Do we need TABLEAU in 2024? Let's get started. TABLEAU has been a leading data visualization tool for several years now. It helps professionals across industries make sense of their data with ease. But with the rapid advancement of technology and the emergence of new tools, the question arises, is TABLEAU still relevant in 2024? First, let's talk about why TABLEAU became so popular. TABLEAU's intuitive interface, powerful capabilities allow users to create stunning visualizations. That too, along with their dashboards and no need to write code. It's user-friendly for beginners but also robust enough for advanced users. This blend of simplicity and power has made TABLEAU a go-to tool for data analysts. In 2024, the demand for data-driven decision-making is higher than ever. Organizations are collecting vast amounts of data and want them to be visualized quickly and effectively. TABLEAU excels in this area, offering features like real-time data analytics, ensuring easy integration with data sources, and the ability to handle large data sets. Moreover, TABLEAU continues to evolve. With regular updates and new features, TABLEAU stays ahead of the curve, ensuring users have access to the latest tools, technologies. For instance, the recent introduction of AI-powered analytics and improved collaboration has further solidified TABLEAU's position in the market. Another reason TABLEAU remains essential is its vibrant community. TABLEAU has a version called TABLEAU Public. It allows users to share their visualizations and learn from others. The community provides forums, tutorials, and user groups that make it easier for anyone to get started and improve their skills. So do we need TABLEAU in 2024? Absolutely. Its unmatched capabilities, supportive community, and the innovation it drives makes it a vital tool for anyone to harness power of data. If you are excited to learn TABLEAU and want to get started, I have the perfect course for you. It's called TABLEAU for Beginners, and it helps you to visualize and analyze your data. It's present onto our Udemy channel. This comprehensive course is designed to take you from a complete beginner to a proficient. You learn how to create powerful visualizations, analyze your data effectively, and even build interactive dashboards. The course covers everything you need to learn from the basics to the advanced features. It's perfect for anyone looking to boost their data visualization skills, make data-driven decisions, and that too confidently. I've included the link to the course in the description box. Don't miss the opportunity to master TABLEAU and enhance your career prospects. Enroll now, start your journey to become a TABLEAU expert. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover in the future videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep visualizing your data.